I am making Juicy Lucies, which are an iconic Minnesota burger where the cheese is on the inside. They're so good and gooey, and I love them so much. So to get started, I've got my ground beef here, which I'm just gonna add to a bowl. And I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper, about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and a nice few pinches of black pepper. And then I'm also gonna add sriracha because sriracha and cheddar are such a great combination. The smokiness of the sriracha with the sharp cheddar, it's just so good. I love it. I'm gonna drizzle some in, and then I'm gonna quickly mix it up with my hands. I don't wanna over mix my beef mixture, otherwise it could get tough. And now I'm gonna divide it into 6 equal balls. I didn't even know about Juicy Lucies until I became a Minnesota gal. I love the way that the emphasis is really on the cheese. I feel like typically with a cheeseburger, you just have one thin slice of cheese on top of the meat, and sometimes it can kind of get lost with the other toppings. But in a Juicy Lucy, you get a nice big bite of cheese in the center of the burger. Okay, so I've got my shredded cheddar here, and I'll take a bowl and make a divot in the middle. And then I'm going to fill it with cheese. I'm probably going to use this whole bag. And any cheese will do, but I love a good sharp cheddar. And now I'm just pinching the meat around the cheese to seal it in. It's basically a beef and cheese dumpling. I don't want the cheese to leak out, so it's important to make sure that the beef is completely covering the cheese. And then I'll lightly flatten it into a patty. Okay. I'll finish up the rest of these now. These are gonna have such a nice surprise inside. My friends are gonna love biting into these. I'm gonna season them on the outside with salt and pepper too, just to really bring out the flavor and help these burgers develop that crust. Okay, these are ready for the grill, and now I just have to prep my side. Okay, I'm gonna get these off the grill. You wanna go round everybody up and then we can eat?
Wanna go get the gang?
Okay. Come on up and dig in. Grab some potato chips, they're homemade.
It's just beautiful.
Wow.
This looks delicious. You can build your own burgers.